Welcome to this tutorial on different types of joins in SQL, subqueries, and their examples. This is what we are going to learn today in this video. Stay tuned till the end. Joins, unions, and subqueries. These SQL features allow you to combine and filter data from multiple tables, enabling richer insights and more detailed reports. SQL joins allow you to combine records from two or more tables based on related columns. In a relational database, data is often stored across different tables, and a join lets you query that data together. Joins are essential when your analysis requires information from multiple sources. The basic syntax of SQL join is as given, where join specifies how to combine the tables. On defines the condition for joining the tables. There are four main types of SQL joins, each used for different scenarios. Inner join returns only matching records from both tables. Left join or left outer join returns all records from the left table and matching records from the right. Non-matching rows from the right table return null. Right join or right outer join returns all records from the right table and matching records from the left. Full join or full outer join returns all records when there's a match in either the left or right table. Non-matching rows return null. The union and union all operators allow you to combine the results of two or more select queries. Union removes duplicate records, while union all retains all records, including duplicates. These operators are useful when you need to combine data from multiple queries or datasets. Subqueries, also known as inner queries or nested queries, are queries embedded within another SQL query. They allow you to perform more complex data retrieval by executing a query within the context of another. Subqueries are often used for filtering or for comparison in where, from, or select clauses. Let's start with practical example of inner join, where this query retrieves only employees with a matching department. Before that, let's display all the contents of the table that we will be working on. Now we will try to understand how left join works. This query retrieves all employees, even if they don't belong to a department, and null where no match. Let's look at the right join now. This query works the same way as it works in the left join, but what it does is that it compares the values from the right table to the left table. For full join, we have to take union of left join and right join, as my SQL doesn't support full join directly. Let's look at the union now. This query combines the names of employees and contractors, without duplicates. Then comes union all. This query combines all names from both tables, including duplicates. Moving on to see how subqueries work. This query retrieves employees with a salary greater than the average salary. Let's look at an example. Suppose you have a sales table and a customers table, and you need to retrieve information about customers and their recent purchases. You can use an inner join to combine the two tables based on a common key, such as the customer ID. This query combines customer and sales data, filtered to show purchases based on total amount ordered. While joins, unions, and subqueries are powerful tools, they can sometimes lead to unexpected results if not used correctly. For example, forgetting to properly define the join condition can result in a Cartesian product, which produces every possible combination of rows from both tables. Similarly, misusing subqueries can lead to performance issues with large datasets. Understanding these pitfalls will help you avoid common mistakes and optimize your queries. In this video, we've explored advanced SQL querying techniques, including joins, unions, and subqueries. These tools are essential for handling more complex data retrieval tasks and allow you to combine, filter, and aggregate data across multiple tables. In the next video, we'll delve into data aggregation and grouping in SQL, which will further expand your ability to summarize and analyze data efficiently. Stay tuned for more SQL tutorials. In the next video, we'll cover data aggregation and grouping, essential skills for summarizing large datasets. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your questions in the comments.